Hey there, YouTube. Another Taurus High Point production coming at you. Sights. Rifle, pistol, black powder, smokeless. What I do for me across the board, whether it's a rifle, a scope, red dot, Thunder Rosa, and cut. We all know we have to make that cut back here in the rear sight and go after files. You use a Dremel to make that that initial cut, and you use your files to get it where you need it. I make mine almost look like a U. When I do my sights for my own pistols, whether it's black powder, smokeless, Taurus or High Point, SIG, I've got some stairs. If the sighting is adjustable, I set them up for a 6 o'clock hold. Everything across the board. Even my hunting rifles with the scope where my crosshairs line up on the target is a 6 o'clock hold. That is from this way. When I go to use whatever weapon I'm using, whether it's Thunder Rosa, the Cherry Popper, the 44, or AT&T, the 36, or that little pocket model I have yet to name. Or my Taurus 99, or my Taurus Slim, or my SIG 230. The aiming point is exactly the same for me. It's a 6 o'clock hold. Whether I grab my 22 rifle or my 50 caliber black powder deer stalker, CVA Buckhorn Magnum, CVA Bolt Hunter Bolt, I should say, or my CVA Hawken. This way, my point of aim, my point of reference for every firearm I pick up is essentially the same. I don't have to guess how high or how low, how much bead, how little bead. The 6 o'clock hold, boom, it's there. But that is for me, my own choice. This has been a Taurus High Point production. I choose, therefore I am responsible.